manipulator-independent representations for visual imitation. We want to equip our robots with the ability of third-person imitation, particularly specialized for a cross-embodiment scenario. For example, here we see a human stacking a red object on top of a blue object with hand. We want our robot to understand and replicate single trajectories as precisely as possible, using only vision. We will start with imitating such trajectories in simulations shown in the video on the right. A few challenges we need to address when doing third-person imitation from pixels. Firstly, we do not have access to the actions. Also, there's no task reward and no proper information available. The next challenge is to make imitation learning works for different embodiment. Here we show 4 that are involved in the paper. Apart from human hand, we also got pickup stick, Jaco arm, and a robotic gripper, which is the real-world equivalent of the sim environment to the left. In the long run, we would like our robot to be able to learn a new task, for instance, from a video of a different on-scene embodiment solely from pixels. To elaborate more about the problem setup, first we have a human demonstrating a solution, and then we sample goals from the trajectory and encode them into a magic representation space. Then we ask our agent in simulation to reach those goals one by one to replicate the trajectory. Our general solution is to imitate by reinforcement learning. We'll train MPL agent to track each of the demonstrated trajectories, which is a common approach for imitation learning. The agent has access to a goal and the current camera observations in simulation. The reward we provide to the agent is a tracking reward. The current observation and the goal should be close enough in embedding space to get a reward of 1, 0 otherwise. The most important part of the visual imitation by trajectory tracking is to have a high-level feature space that can match demonstrators and agent observations. We call this embedding space manipulator-independent representation space, or MIR for short. A desirable feature space should have following characteristics for successful imitations: cross-domain alignment, temporal smoothness, and being actionable, which means that the representation should be suitable for RL training. For cross-domain alignment, we leverage simulation and augment the simulation in 3 different ways. First, fully domain randomization, where textures and colors, lights, camera poses were augmented. Second is make the robot arm invisible. The last is only randomize the manipulator. Then we create paired trajectory the same way as shown in the video. This encourages the learned representation to focus on the environmental changes and ignore the manipulator. A dataset was collected of such paired trajectories. With this collected dataset, we learn our MIR representation space that can align paired domains. One key property of this representation space is temporal smoothness. Temporal smoothness implies that observations that are temporally neighbor have similar representations, even when they are from different domains. The last characteristic we want to equip is being actionable. This requires encoding actions while learning the representations, which makes it amenable for RL training. We use offline goal condition policies training a cross-domain way as an additional method to enrich our representation space. Given the paired trajectories, we first select a frame that the current observation from one of the domain and sample a goal frame in the future. We train the model in a supervised manner to regress the action that takes the current frame to the next frame. Experimental results. Here we show a robot in simulation in action to follow a human hand demonstration on the left. We show the environment that the agent is operating in from a moving camera point of view. On the top right, we show the goal sampled from the trajectory in both left and right camera view. There are also what agent will observe. The bottom right is showing the camera view in simulation, which is also exposed to the agent. Here are more examples of tracking demonstrations collected with Jaco hand, real robot, and pickup stick. Here we show our agent can track trajectories collected from different domains. Here we show our agent can track trajectories that's collected for out-of-distribution task. For example, here we have Jaco hand to follow a stacking and unstacking trajectories. And then we also have the invisible hand doing the same. To conclude, we made third-person imitation work with RL for cross-embodiment scenario from pixels with large domain gap. We introduced manipulator-independent representation that provides 3 characteristics. First, it provides cross-domain, cross-embodiment alignment that robust to domain gaps, and the focus is on the changes in the environment. Second, it provides temporal smoothness that visually neighboring frames are also close in the embedding space. Lastly, it provides RL suitability that encoding actions while learning the representations, which makes it suitable for control. For more details, please read our paper and visit our website, please. Thank you.